currently writing a cool book about some birds. Birds with guns. Behold, Bird War. Birds with guns, this is peak cinema. Here we have the California quail. Here it sees a turkey and it pulls out its revolver. Battle for the Oak is a book I am writing about, if you haven't figured it out by now, birds with guns. The birds have systems of government, claims over land, have constructed large forts and stuff, and they also have guns. These mentioned chapters of part 2 are already finished, and I'll upload them soon. I've been working on this project for an amount of time that I never thought of recording. I'm gonna ask my other YouTuber friends if they can give me shoutouts mentioning this video, because I know that otherwise it wouldn't get much recognition, and I want to see people reading my book and making fanfics of birds with guns. If you want to know what happens in the book, then go read the book. The only things I'm telling you are that the main character's name is Charles Quail, because he's a quail named Charles. And he also has a gun. So yeah, I wrote a book about birds with guns. Link in the description and in the comments. And if you're making fan art of it, use hashtag BFTO. BFTO is the acronym for Battle for the Oak, which is the name of the book. Best of luck reading about birds with guns.